Well, Delhi is voting today to elect its new assembly. A total of 810 candidates are in the fray for 70 seats. Around 55% voting has been recorded till 4 p.m. Elaborate security arrangements have been made in the capital with deployment of 32,801 personnel of the Delhi Police and 10,700 Central Parliamentary Force personnel to ensure peaceful elections. The voting began at 8 in the morning at 11,753 polling booths, out of which 630 were identified as critical and hypercritical. Well, the Election Commission has appealed to people not to carry mobile phones while going in to cast their votes. A total of 1.19 crore voters are eligible to exercise their franchise, of which 66.11 lakh are men, 53.20 lakh are women. The number of first-time voters is 4.05 lakh, and Delhi is witnessing a triangular contest between the Congress, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party.
It's become the most keenly watched election battle of 2013. The debutant Aam Aadmi Party is promising to dent the prospects of the two usual big players in the fray, the BJP and the Congress. And the most interesting battle, however, is being fought in the New Delhi constituency, where Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit is up against Arvind Kejriwal. Sheila Dikshit, who voted earlier today, is looking to create history with a fourth consecutive victory. Right, and Sonia Gandhi, Sheila Dikshit, all were out in full force to vote, along with Rahul Gandhi at the Nirman Bhavan booth. BJP leader and Sonia Gandhi's sister-in-law Maneka Gandhi was also present for voting. Both Rahul Gandhi and Aunt Maneka Gandhi were seen waiting in the queue. Priyanka Gandhi, along with her husband, also went out to vote at the Lodi Estate polling station.
हमारी अच्छी है, लेकिन इम्तिहान होता है ना, तो इम्तिहान में ये नहीं कहा सकता 90% मिलेंगे या 80 में, क्योंकि दो बुनियादी पार्टीज यहाँ पर हमेशा बीजेपी और कांग्रेस रही है, तो आपस में दोनों का ही रहेगा। जशवर्धन जी अपना करीब, हमें विश्वास है कि जितना काम हमने किया है जनता भरोसा उसी पर करेगी। दूसरा ये है कि दिल्ली में कभी कम्युनलिज्म नहीं फैला है, और बीजेपी की भाषा से ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे वो कम्युनल फोर्सेस को बढ़ावा देंगे या कम से कम
कि आज भारी मतदान करें, अपने घर से, अपने सभी परिवारजनों के साथ, सभी मित्रों के साथ, सभी पड़ोसियों के साथ, और दिल्ली में जिस किसी को भी जानते हैं उसको फोन करके कहिए कि पोलिंग बूथ पर आइए। 100% उम्मीद है और दिल्ली की जनता का भारी हमें समर्थन मिल रहा है, भारी आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है, और जो विजय होगी वो अप्रत्याशित होगी।
तैयार है इस बार दिल्ली की। मैं बार बार कहता हूँ, ये हमारा चुनाव नहीं है, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल का चुनाव नहीं है। मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ रहा, जनता चुनाव लड़ रही है, और इस बार जनता मन बना चुकी है कि भ्रष्ट व्यवस्था को उखाड़ के फेंकना है। और मैं फिर से दिल्ली की जनता से अपील करना चाहूंगा कि आज हम सब लोग मिलकर उपवास रखेंगे। मैंने भी अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया। जब तक हम वोट नहीं डाल देंगे तब तक हम कुछ नहीं खाएंगे। वोट डालने के बाद
वोट डालिए, घर पे मत बैठिए, और वोट डालने से पहले अपने बच्चों का, अपने परिवार का चेहरा देख के निकलिए। और ये सोचिए कि जिन लोगों ने पिछले 24 घंटे में दारू बांटी है ना, वो लोग चुनाव अगर जीत गए तो वो लोग बच्चों का दूध और पीने का पानी महंगा कर देंगे।
वो निकले जरूर और पूरी दुनिया और देश को बताएं कि जिस तरह मध्य एशिया में लोग बाग स्वातंत्र का रास्ता, स्वराज का रास्ता खून से निकाल रहे हैं, चौराहे पर फांसी देकर निकाल रहे हैं, ऐसे में दिल्ली वासी एक नया सूरज निकालने की प्रतीक्षा में है, एक नए सूर्योदय की प्रतीक्षा में है, जहां वो अपना अभिमत जारी करके इस लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करेंगे।
Oh, it's an absolutely enthusiastic response that we are getting. Delhi is coming out to vote. My message to all Delhi citizens: break the records, make Delhi number one.
Some voters at CR Park in South Delhi, where many were angry to find their names not on the voting list.
I am a senior citizen. I had been voting for donkey's years.
From the same
booth. Yeah. Now my name and my wife's name for last 20 years it was there. Suddenly it is not there. In case of my father, who is no more, his name is deleted. My sister is alive. Her name is also been deleted.
You're not alone.
Several hundreds.
My name is also
Names are
not
not
on the
there.
list. Okay.
Ashok Majumdar.
I am Ashim Ganguly. My name is just not there. I just telling him to include my name with the document, but then allowing us to vote also.
You voted last time.
Yeah,
From the same
exactly.
area.
Yeah, no, not from the same place, but for this is a same constituency.
And
We
these
have been,
females
and
are
they are not
also
been.
these first
They are
time
just allowing us to vote. That's all.
This is my serial number, but they have suddenly deleted. I am giving more than 20 years. This is my election I card. I do not know what they are doing. Name is there, address is there, everything is there. But they
As far as the EC is concerned, what is your demand?
demanded they are supposed to be good citizen of India. What they are trying to do?
All we can say is it's been a record turnout this far, particularly in the New Delhi constituency, which is seeing a three-corner fight between Sheila Dikshit herself, between Arvind Kejriwal and Vijayendra Gupta of the BJP. Particularly, of course, what is the unpredictable factor which has unsettled all political parties, whether it's the Congress, the BJP or even AAP, is the fact that it's a three-way fight. That's something that Delhi has never seen so far, particularly in the Chief Minister's own backyard. That is the New Delhi constituency. If you can look at this board behind me, though, I want to just quickly bring you up to speed. 50%. As you can see behind me, the 50% vote mark being crossed at about 3:06 just a few minutes ago in the New Delhi constituency. This is for the first time that you have this kind of a technology available, where the voting percentage is available live here on big screens like this right outside the Delhi State Chief Electoral Officer's office, as well as several other landmarks in New Delhi like Rajiv Chowk and India Gate. So a 50% mark being reached in the New Delhi constituency in terms of votes polled. It was 56.1 here in the 2008 assembly elections. That mark, something that's very close, perhaps with the next hour and a half or so, that level would be reached, which means that perhaps we could be looking at a voting percentage of more than 70 to 75%. As far as the state itself is concerned, about an hour ago it was about 42%. That's what officers at the Delhi State Election Commission had told us, and we will be bringing you figures within the next few minutes or so as far